What's up, you guys? What's up? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. I hope you're staying safe, washing your hands, following all the rules, you guys, that you know we have to follow. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Forgive me for frowning because the sun is shining right in my face, but that's a good thing because I hope you guys can see me. Okay? I love you. You're the best. Today, don't forget, click like and subscribe, share the video, leave a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay? I love you. Today we're going to talk about what you can plant. Today is May the end of the month. And I don't want to quote the wrong day because it's going to be on the video forever. So it's the end of the month. We're almost at June 1st, which is Monday, I believe. And we're going to talk about some seeds that you can direct sow into your garden or your containers right now, or even starting June 1st. Don't ever think it's too late. Somebody sent me a message going, Skinny Boy Randy, it's too late. I see that you started way back when. No. We just wanted to get a jump start, so we started early. Okay. So don't ever think it's too late. You can plant all summer long if you want. So here are some things that you must grow this summer. You can direct sow them, put them in the ground. Keep your eyes out for rabbits and deer or whatever's in your area. Keep them watered and you'll be good to go. All-time favorite, watermelon. Watermelons love the sun. They love the heat. And most of all, they love water. Hence the name, watermelon. They're about over half just plain water, okay, and the rest is substance. So get you some watermelon seeds, whatever type you want to grow, go ahead and grow them. You want to space these far apart now, because when they grow, they grow. So I mean, like, you want to put one here, and then you don't want to put another one until like at least an arm's length, at least, because they're gonna vine out and they're gonna need that room to grow this big watermelon. Okay. Another thing you can grow, get your beans in the ground. Beans grow so quickly. They grow fast. You can do pole beans. I have some behind me here growing. You can do bush beans, which, you know, stay smaller. However you want to do it. Get your beans in the ground and try different types of beans. I have some yellow wax and some Blue Lake garden beans. Yeah. So try different beans, you guys. Get those in the ground and keep them watered. They don't require a whole lot. You know, just put them in the ground and watch them grow. And they come up within like a couple of days, literally. So get your beans in the ground. All-time favorite, corn. Let's get that corn in the ground. Okay. I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And share the video with all your friends, you guys. Please. I love you. You're the best. Corn. Get your corn in the ground. You want to space your corn out? Well, I normally just do mine. I take my hand like this in between. And that's how far I space them. So get your corn in the ground. It requires full sun, which is at least 6 to 8 hours worth of sun every day. You know, you can give it plenty of water when you can, but corn is used to not getting water all the time. So, but try to keep your garden watered anyway, you guys. Okay. So get your corn in the ground. Try different types. Try sweet corn. Try yellow corn. You can try the mixed corn. And corn comes up fairly quickly as well. So once you see the tassels growing, you know it's about to pollinate. So you have to have a certain amount of corn in order for it to pollinate each other, okay? You can't just plant like 4. Well, you probably could and make it work. Okay, so I'm not going to say what you can't do, okay? So get your corn in the ground, you guys. Squash. Easy to grow. Fast grower. Requires a lot of space. I would say at least this much distance from an elbow to here in between plants, because they can get fairly large and they have some nice fruit on them. It's warm out here today in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. Yes, thank you, Lord. Hallelujah. Okay, you guys, get that squash in the ground. Doesn't require a lot. Nothing fancy. Keep it watered and you'll be good to go. You can even get some celery in the ground. Some people started their celery early. If you didn't start your celery early, pick you some spots and put you some celery down. Full sun. Again, keep it watered. Keep your garden watered. It will love you, I guarantee you. Get you some celery. And then plant you some flowers. It's not too late to throw your zinnias in the ground or your marigolds. Put some seeds around. I threw some in the raised bed and just going to let them grow. You know, in about a month, they'll be coming up. they'll be coming up, and the garden will be fulling out, and it'll be scorching hot outside, and it'll be too hot to come out here and just stare at them, because you're going to run back in the house trying to get into the air conditioner, because ain't nobody got time for that heat, okay? You be done fell out, and then you got to go to the emergency room, and ain't nobody got no money, okay? So get your flowers in the ground, whatever type of flowers, mostly marigolds and zinnias and things like that, that will complement your garden. Then you want to do your zucchinis. Get your zucchinis. It's another version of squash, but it's dark. You can get the black beauty, regular. Treat this just like you treat the squash, okay? About this, from my elbow to my fingertips, distance apart, and you should be fine because they're going to grow fairly large. And last but not least, smile, okay? I love you, you're the best. Get you some sunflowers. If you haven't gotten some from the dollar store, Dollar Tree rather, that's where I got these. And you can put these anywhere that they're going to get full sunlight because they follow the sun. It's a beautiful thing to see. I had a sunflower bed one year, and people would stop by and ask if they could come in my yard just to look at the different sunflowers. And the seeds were given to me from a BP service station. They were doing some type of environmental promotion, and they were giving away these seeds. And I put each individual seed in the ground, and almost, I would say 99 out of 100 came up, and they were huge. They were burgundy and yellow, all different colors. But yeah, sunflowers are a fun thing to grow, especially with your kids, okay? Okay, they will love it. So get your sunflowers in the ground. So yes, you guys, we're going into June. I hope you're being safe. I love you so much. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Share the video. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, and a comment. I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. June is here, you guys.